The Nextech Clamex package is absolutely unique. This patent-pending option allows all milled pockets required for the Lamello P-system to be machined on the surface and the edges of the work in one single operation. The intelligent BetterNest software positions the workpieces next to one another in such a manner that it is possible to machine the pockets for two workpieces simultaneously in just a very few seconds, while simultaneously minimizing material consumption. The result? Perfect, stable, and separable connections for high-quality custom furniture.